Hello everyone, I'm Sher and you're watching Sher English Language Learning and Educational Complex. And my today's topic is again about verbs. We have studied these five types of verbs in the previous video. These are action or main verbs, regular verbs, irregular verbs, helping or auxiliary verbs, to be verbs. Let's go towards the next slide and study the new ones. So the next one is to do verbs. To do verbs can be used as helping or main verbs. Examples are do, does, doing, done, or did. So we call them to do verbs because they include do or does or did, or they are based on do or does. So when we say, where did you go? Here, this did is used as a helping verb. And when we say, I did this did is a main verb here. So these words are called, or these verbs are called to do verbs. And the next one is possessive words. As their name indicate, they show possession. So that's why they are called possessive words. And their examples are has, have, had. When someone says, I have a car, I have uh, a house, so this show possession of property. That's why they are called possessive words. The next one is linking words. They link or indicate connection among the subject and the predicates, or in other words, we can call it complements. Complements are nouns, pronouns, or adjectives that are used after linking words. So there are certain types of verbs. For example, let's go for the example first and then we will explain it. Like is, are, am, was, were, touch, taste, look, feel, appear. So these words are called like linking words. When we find noun, pronouns, or adjectives after them, those words are called complements, right? And that complement shows a kind of connection with the subject because of the verb, these verbs, right? For example, when we say it tastes good, this verb taste is uh, a linking verb and it created links with it. Like it tastes good means what is good? It is good. It can be a soup or any food or anything, right? So these linking verbs shows connection between the subject and the complement. And I just mentioned complement is anything that comes after the linking words. And they are noun, pronouns, or adjective. Usually what happens with verbs, we use adverb. For example, when we say he goes slowly, goes is a verb and we use slowly after goes. So what it is an adverb. But in this case, with linking verbs, we do not use adverb. Instead, we use like adjective, nouns, or pronouns. For example, it tastes goods. It tastes good. This good is like adjective, not adverb. Or it looks nice. It looks nice. Nice is also an adjective. So these type of verbs are called linking words. The next one is sensory words. Sensory words also a part of like linking words. It is because it comes from senses, as we just mentioned up, look, touch, taste, hear, smell. They are all related to five different senses. So that's why we call them sensory words. And you can also include like feel as well in it. And similarly, we mentioned before, you can use adverb, not adverb, adjective in place of adverb with sensory words. And then there are causative verbs. Causative verbs, when the subject wants someone else perform action for them, we use causative verbs. Causative verbs, there are five different causative verbs. I forget to write their in examples. They are like make, have, let, or need. These are the words which are called causative words. When we say, I have my brother finish my homework, that's not good, like morally, and just for the sake of the argument. I have my brother uh, wash the car. It means I'm not washing the car. My brother will wash the car for me. Or I need my windshield cleaned. Like this means I'm not cleaning the windshield, it's someone else who is going to clean. So that's why these causative verbs shows actions which the subjects does not do. He wants someone else perform the action for him. And then there are modal or modal auxiliary verbs. So they are words that comes before other words and they modify their meaning, and they are very important for the new learners. In my opinion, if new learners learn these modal verbs, they can speak around like 40% to 50% English. They can convey their meanings, I mean, if they know the proper appropriate usage of them. So and their examples, what are the modal verbs we can find here? Can, could, may, might, shall, will, would, should, ought to, has to, have to, had to, must. These all are modal verbs. I'll make a separate video for modal verbs to make you understand them appropriately, as they are very significant. The next one is transitive words. Transitive verbs always have objects. They can take direct objects or indirect objects. Direct objects are called things, and indirect objects are people, right? And that receive the action. So it means every transitive verb has an object. Either it can be direct or indirect object. For example, he reads books. This reads has the object books. Similarly, John gave her sister a gift. This her sister is an indirect object because it's a person. And this gave has her sister as well as this noun as well, gift. So they are called transitive verbs. Similarly, we can say they close the door, they open the door, they buy books. These are all are transitive verbs examples. And we can find here as well some words: buy, drive, sell, read, teach, write, open, close. They all are transitive verbs. And the next one is intransitive words. These words are not used with objects as a contrast to the transitive words, and they do not take direct or indirect objects, right? Examples are, he was going, the baby boy was crying. And there is, you see, after going, there is no object. Similarly, here, after crying, there is no object. And finally, there are active or passive verbs. Active verbs are those we use like in active sentences, active voice sentences, and passive verbs are those which are used in passive voice. I will make a separate video on active and passive voice that will give you a clear view what they are. But passive verbs are always used in third form of the verb. Okay, that's all for the today's video. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful evening. Take care. Bye. Mm, okay.